Well, my name is Iris. I'm here since 6 years, something like that. Time goes quick, but I think it's about 6 years. I'm born in Belgium, and I'm just spending most of my time here now. Hridaya School is a very magical place where everyone can come to reconnect with ourselves. Let's say reconnect with our heart and to live life from our hearts. So in Hridaya we are learning to meditate. And why are we meditating is because we simply want to sit still and listen to the depth of our being, listen to our hearts. And when this starts happening, when we start to reconnect with this depth, you see my hair is standing up now, it's like our whole life changes, like everything is perceived in such a different way, like the way of love. For me, I started to feel a stability within me, because that is what is being offered here, is to like find this stability, this peace within ourselves. Like when I could connect to that more on a daily basis, not just during meditation, but really in my daily life, because that's why we also meditate, right? Is to find this peace also in our relationships. So I was much more at ease with people, and they could also benefit from that, you know, like when we are like resting in a sense of peace, the other person with who you are talking to will also start resonating with that. And that's just so beautiful. So in a way, we are not just practicing for ourselves, but for all our relatives, you know, for everyone we are coming into contact with, because we are sharing this peace that starts to radiate from our heart. I can share that, out of my own experience, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy to sit still for longer periods of time. And a lot of things are coming to the surface, things that we usually are suppressing, or, you know, our quality of life is just so fast that we don't see all these things. So once we sit still, which we are doing in meditation, and we are centering in the heart, it's almost like the heart is showing us all these things that still needs to be loved. And once we understand, you know, once we stop fighting all these things that are coming up in meditation, like all the different emotions and feelings that are coming to the surface, and the stories of our lives, you know, that maybe we still feel guilty about, or, you know, like we cannot forgive someone, or whatever it is, it looks like all this is coming in the meditation in order to be loved. And when we start understanding that we can actually be with this, and that we can embrace this, then more of an ease is coming into meditation. But in the beginning, before this understanding is there, it's difficult, because we kind of like are more fighting with these things, or we don't want these things to come to the surface, or you see, like, so there is a lot to learn about how to meditate, and a lot of courage needs to be there in this learning process. The guidance could be for a first time, for example, to already find a sense of relaxation in your body, like try to find a position where you can fully relax. That could be a first guidance. And then once there is this relaxation, we can start gently touching into the space of the heart. And then you could try this for a while, and then things probably come up, and then you can talk to one of the teachers or another person that is taking the course with you, and then share and learn in this way. So we are meeting certain obstacles in meditation, which probably comes, you know, in a first meditation and many others, and then we grow through that. by sharing, asking, experiencing again. So it's a process. So let's start with closing our eyes. And something that can help to become very present in this moment is to just become aware of the sounds. You might even hear the sounds of the ocean here, or simply the sounds around you. Brings you to this present moment. And keeping this sense of presence, you can start relaxing your body, like scanning your body and relaxing all the tensions, like bringing a sense of softness in your whole body. And as the body is softening, it's important to keep your spine straight. So the body is soft, yet the spine is straight, as if a little string is pulling on the top of your head, lengthening your spine, opening your chest. And then again we soften around this straightness of the spine. And then we can become aware of our breath. And we'll just simply breathe into our heart. So breathing gently into the heart. Bringing this sense of softness also into the heart. Relaxing the heart. And we just keep breathing into the heart like this. We are establishing this connection with our heart. As we are breathing into the heart, we are connecting to a deeper sense of ourself. A sense of peacefulness, stillness. We are becoming very intimate with ourselves, with our heart, with the stillness of our heart. And we just keep breathing like this into the heart. As we are breathing in the heart, as we are becoming still, we have a first glimpse of our presence that is radiating from the heart. A loving embrace. And now we can again start opening the eyes and see if you can meet life still from this centeredness in your heart. Meeting life more like as an embrace, embracing life.